Wait a second. That's me! Sorry. You must be so confused. Let's start from the beginning. My name is Sword, and for as long as I remember, I've always lived in Crossroads.
It's busy,
Sorry.
but you get used to it.
Here, in the city, I live with my mentor, Venom Shack.
The world of the Inferno can be pretty dangerous.
But he's taught me how to handle myself in dangerous situations. And I've gotten pretty good at it. Maybe I'll show you some of my moves sometime. But overall, life has been pretty awesome.
Except for one little problem.
Rocket! What? Medkit's dead!